Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the case and earbuds to at least half so the reset won't fail mid-cycle. Once charged, make sure you unpair or forget the JBL Reflect Aero from any phone, tablet, or laptop so no device reconnects during reset. Close the charging case for 5 seconds to ensure the buds go to sleep, then open it again. This wakes them and prepares both units for the actual reset sequence you're about to perform. With the case open and both earbuds seated, press and hold the touch zones on each earbud simultaneously for about 10 seconds. Hold firmly. This triggers the internal factory command rather than a simple power off. You'll know it worked when the indicator LEDs flash in a distinct pattern, typically alternating or red then white. That visual confirms the earbuds cleared pairing info. Once you see those flashes, release. The buds reboot and enter pairing-ready state. After the reboot, repair the JBL Reflect Aero to your primary device. Enable Bluetooth, select the earbuds from available devices, and confirm connection. If the LEDs never flash during the hold, repeat the exact press and hold sequence once more and ensure the case battery is full. Low charge often blocks resets. If repeated attempts fail, try pairing with a different phone to rule out device issues, and if that still doesn't work, contact JBL support for a firmware or hardware check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.